All right, today I have an Infiniti QX series SUV, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the vehicle, okay, with the push start on this particular model. All right, so in order to do that, what you're going to do is I have my foot on the brake, okay, and the vehicle is in park, okay. So in order to turn the vehicle on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, and you see this button right here? This button right here is the start and stop engine, okay? So with my foot on the brake, the car is in park. I'm gonna press this, and I held it down for a second, PLP, and the vehicle started, okay? Now I can take my foot off the brake if I want to because the vehicle's in park. But if I want to turn it off, say for instance, I just park my vehicle, put the vehicle foot on the brake, and put the vehicle back into park, and then I'm going to come up right here, and you see this button right here, it says start stop engine. I'm going to stop the engine, okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it. Now that's how I turn it off. There's other ways you can turn the vehicle off, okay, you can read the user manual, but this is just a general guide of how to turn on and off the Infiniti QX series. It could be applied to the QX 55, 50, 60, and 80. All right. Hope this video has been helpful as a general guide. Thanks a lot for watching.